The time interval measurement tool provides us information about the time that passes between two activities that we specify. So in our case, we'll choose Requirement for More Info as the starting event. We'll select the Additional Info Received as the ending event, which occurs when the needed information has been received. So we want to know exactly how much time elapses in between these two events. Time that is being added to the overall claims processing duration simply because we don't possess all the required information. As always, we show you the minimum, the maximum, and the average values, as well as the distribution. So while the minimum time in these cases is 5 hours, the average amount of time it takes to receive the information is 4 days, and the maximum time is almost 54 days. This would be quite a long time for a claim to sit with no work being done on it. And to make matters worse, from what we saw in this events histogram, this could be occurring up to 4 times in any given timeline. We can go further, set the threshold to the maximum time spent, and break down these claims by dimension to see if there's a recurring pattern depending on the attributes. And as usual, a filter can be applied here and further analysis with any tool can be performed.